This is DITW, Anatomy and Physiology, and you are watching the video on the peripheral sensory and motor neuron division. When we look at the structure of the peripheral nervous system, there are neurons dedicated to the input of the senses and neurons dedicated to motor movement. The senses being the five senses, and motor movement being voluntary and involuntary muscle movements. The senses are the way by which we understand the world by taking input from the environment. This input can be light, temperature, texture, smell, flavor, etc. Whatever the input is, there are neurons dedicated to receiving this input and then transmitting it to the brain. For example, when we see something, light strikes photoreceptor cells in the eye, which are sensitive to light, and interaction with light causes stimulation that is interpreted by the brain. Similarly, when we touch something to check the temperature, we have specially crafted neurosensors which can detect the temperature, and that sensory info is brought to the brain for interpretation. The motor system consists of all neurons which control both voluntary and involuntary muscle movement. Voluntary muscles include the skeletal muscles you can move, like the biceps of your arm, or any muscle you control for mobility. When you decide to move your arm, it's a decision made by the brain which is sent along peripheral neurons to the muscles to be activated. Involuntary muscles include organs like the stomach, which have muscles involved in the breakdown of food, but you do not have control over. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more information on other systems, please visit my YouTube page for other great anatomy and physiology videos. Before you leave, make sure to drop a like on this video by hitting the thumbs up button down below and share with friends who are also interested in anatomy and physiology. If you have any questions regarding anatomy and physiology, please leave them in the comments section below. And please subscribe and hit the bell button to know when new videos become available. Once again, thank you.